Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can delete a user account. You see here I have two user accounts, new user and ENG-School. If you want to delete new user, you have to sign into ENG-School. If you want to delete ENG-School, we have to sign into new user account. Now I want to delete new user, so I sign into ENG-School. Let's start. Now I am signed into ENG-School account. Come to settings. Here accounts, family and other users. You see here I have new user account. Just click it. Remove. Delete account and data. If you have any data in this new user account, you have to save it in. If you want to protect it, just delete account and data. It is done. Let's check. From here, accounts, you see I have only ENG-School account, no new user. That's all. Have a nice day.